from distance.
Maybe if the light is on the bottom and
Oh,
shines. It's just...
I think this is a little better, no? What do you think?
Oh, that looks cool. Oh, wait. Is that his brick? No. Wait.
Yeah, this is Tom O'Reilly. It's here.
Oh, he's up there? I've
Yeah.
been taking a picture of this one. I have a million pictures of who?
I
I have a million pictures of Jets fan, Matt Chelik. Oh God, we gotta move up then.
I was convinced this was it.
I've been taking all photos of it. I should send it to them. All right, we gotta move up. Ugh. Oh
This is
my
good.
goodness.
This works. Wait.
What if a deer comes and eats us? Oh my God, I can't believe the whole time. Oh, that is
I
nice.
think it's a video. You are taking a video. Andrea, you're taking a video right now.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Is it 11?
Also,
Wow.